All right, last example. So here's the most common mistake, Tamir, that students do, is they see I in the bottom, and they say, hey, last example, all you do is multiply by I. So in this example, I'm going to multiply by I. Right?
Minus I.
Huh?
3 minus I. 3.
On the right track.
You're
almost. Well, you're almost there. But I want to go over why this is a mistake, because people like Alex sometimes will forget the mistake, so they want to remember this. If you have this, you have to multiply by both terms. So if I was to do that, I'd have I over 3i minus I squared. So yes, by multiplying by I, you produced I squared, but now you also just produced 3i. And you're never going to be able to get rid of the I if you're just multiplying by I against a binomial, because you have to multiply I times both. So what Lee was saying is we're going to have to multiply by the conjugate of our binomial, which is not 3 minus I, but 3 plus I. All right, and the reason why the conjugate, what's important about the conjugate is it produces a difference of two squares. You're producing a product of two binomials where the middle terms are going to cancel out. Because if you multiply these two binomials, if you guys use the box method, you're going to get 9 plus 3i minus 3i, and then minus I squared. Well, the plus 3i and the minus 3i add to 0, so they go away. So basically, on top, we apply the distributive property. So I have 3i plus I squared. And on the bottom, I have 9 minus I squared. So now I'm just going to rewrite all the I squareds. So I have 3i plus negative 1 over 9 minus negative 1. So 3i plus negative 1 is just I'm going to rewrite this in standard form. So it's negative 1 plus 3i. Right? Remember how it's that a plus bi. And then over here, we have 9 minus a negative 1, which is 10. Now, it's very important, though. Remember, guys, I said a plus bi. I told you to write that down, a plus bi. This is not an a plus bi format. This is an a plus bi divided by 10. So what I need to do is divide the 10 into both of those. So it's negative 1/10 plus 3/10 I. So make sure you divide that 10 into both of them. And ladies and gentlemen, we are done with instruction. Yay.